Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2026 Ford F-150 and I will show you how to remove and replace the engine air filter. This video will apply to these vehicles made from 2021 all the way up to 2026 and possibly newer. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now, I will also add, depending on the engine size, the position of this engine air filter might be different. I'm not 100% sure. But if you have this kind of a setup, the process will be the same. The engine air filter is located just under this cover right here. So, as we can see, it's being held by only two plastic clips. So what you want to do, you want to unclip it here and this one as well. And then you want to lift this cover and pull it towards yourself, because right here it's inserted, you see, into this plastic piece. So just want to kind of lift it and pull towards yourself, just like this. And you will get access to the air filter which is inside here. If for some reason you can't reach it, but you should be able to, you can always loosen up this screw and completely remove this cover if you want to, but that shouldn't be necessary really. Now to remove the filter, just pull it straight out. I can do it with one hand, so it's not a big deal. And also when replacing the filter, you also want to make sure to clean the inside of this box as well. Okay, and that's it. You want to inspect the filter, and if it's really dirty, you want to replace it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.